death. But the crazy part is, I hate being pregnant. I cannot stand the feeling of being pregnant. However, I can tell you that the best part of being pregnant is finding out what I'm about to have. I love it, I love it, I love it. The feeling is amazing. And it's so many creative ways to find out what you're having. And one of them creative, fun ways is through a baby diaper cake, a baby reveal diaper cake. So I came up with this cool, fun way to reveal if it's a boy or a girl. And I just wanted to share it with you, all right? With that being said, let's get it. Now, I have a gang of kids, and I have a gang of grandkids. With that being said, I do not want no more babies, all right? I'm just throwing it out there. I'm just letting you know. I'm just telling you, all right? However, if I were to have a baby, I am going to show you what gender I would want. All right? Now, on the count of 3, all I'm going to do is lift up this first tier to reveal what gender it is. All right? Okay, y'all ready? 1, 2, 3. It's a boy. If I were to have a baby, it will be a baby boy. Now, wait. That's not it. That's not all. I got some more to tell you. Now, with this particular baby reveal diaper cake, not only does it reveal what gender it is, but the feeling inside the cake is simply, let me open and show you. Because boy, I packaged the mess out of this. I packaged this good. You hear me? I packaged it real good. There it is. A baby onesie. Oh, we got it upside down. There he is. And then the kid's adorable. So I just wanted to share it with you. And if you'd like to purchase one of these diaper cakes, please visit my online store at www.delicacycreations.com. Y'all have a good one.